Howdy! I saw this video which really made me a good laughter. So I would like to share it with you. Have you always felt that you don't belong? And you're thinking 2026 will make you belong more? No. No, you are here to lead. You are gaining that power, right? Do you feel that is changed? Like now I started to feel that, yeah, I'm weird. I'm weird and I love it. And, I know things that I never met anybody who knows what I know, and I'm pretty good at what I know. So bring me on.